Alrighty guys, so in today's video we gotta get a lot of things done. It's not really gonna be an in-depth video. We gotta get a lower cooling hose replaced. We gotta get the bumper on. We got a new bumper from like a off-brand pick and pull. A bunch of minor things that we gotta fix to this car, and that's gonna be all done in today's video. But we're gonna try to get most of the things we can. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we have it's like a lower coolant return line. That thing is cracked very on the bottom. It's probably from the hit, maybe it was a forklift, I'm not sure, but we already bought the part. It's gonna be coming in soon, but we gotta get it removed, and there's 2 bolts on top. So we're gonna remove the air box and the radiator fans. We don't want to remove the whole front with all the radiators, AC. We don't want to do any of that. So it's just gonna be air box, fans, and then we're gonna try to work our way around the bolt and get it out. So yeah, the line, it goes all the way up to the coolant tank, like down the bottom, and then it goes like halfway into here somewhere, also on the bottom, which you're gonna have to dig through around. So yeah, we're gonna try to get this off, and then hopefully the part will come, I think tomorrow maybe. Alrighty guys, it's getting pretty late. We got the airbox off, the radiator fan off. We loosened both of the bolts on the actual hose, so that's it. I mean, I'm wiggling it around. All we have to do is pull it out from here, underneath the coolant tank, swap it out, put all the clips in, and then reassemble everything, and it should be good, back up and running. So hopefully the part comes tomorrow, and we'll go ahead and get that done. Alrighty guys, so it has actually been a few days and we finally got our part. This is the coolant recovery line. This sits all the way on the bottom. This goes to your coolant tank right over here. This sucker right here is like way deep there. It's really hard to get to. Our part is cracked right here, exactly why we're replacing it. This was from FCP Euro. It's a genuine BMW part. Shipping was, I mean, it was alright. Took a week and then it was delayed just a day. So let's remove that piece out of there completely, get this one in, pour in coolant, and then get it back up and running. Alrighty guys, it is finally out. As you can see right here, it's a crazy crack. Oh, it's not even holding on. Yeah. So this is the part that's broken. No point of gluing it, might as well replace it. Genuine BMW, not too bad. So let's put the new one back in. Just gonna make sure that everything is exactly the same, and then we'll throw it in. Alrighty guys, so the coolant hose is replaced. It runs good. We drove it around for a little bit. Everything's working good. Coolant is bled up to the level. So now we're gonna go ahead and we want to get this bumper installed. I think it's an aftermarket bumper. We picked it up for 50 bucks. Does need some work, paint obviously, and then also headlight. We already glued one of the tabs. The other tab is like really bad. So we got to get the headlight on, bumper, inner fenders, make sure everything fits up, and then next video, hopefully, bumper is going to be painted. We might change something up with the headlights. I don't really like the orange. There's some nice ones on eBay, original. So, I don't know. We'll check that out later. Let's get the front end installed, and we'll be good to go. Alrighty guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. We got the bumper on, headlight, we replaced that coolant hose right over here. This is where it was cracked. We got the fog lights installed. They work, I just checked them a little bit. So next video we should be taking the bumper back off, sanding it, prepping it for paint it up, and then probably put it back on. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the hood yet. It's alright for now. We'll definitely get something done later. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode.